Question number 15. If A bar, B bar and C bar, three vectors are given, and given that the vectors A bar, B bar, C bar form a right-handed system, then they are asking range of x, asking here. Observe the options here: R bar minus R minus 4 comma 3, R minus of open interval minus 3 comma 2, minus 2 comma 3. They are asking here range of x required. See question number 15. Given three vectors are here, right-handed system, form right-handed system. Given three vectors are here, A bar, B bar, C bar. A bar, B bar, C bar forms right-handed system. That means the formula box value is box A bar, B bar, C bar is greater than 0. If three vectors are forms a right-handed system, box value is positive. If it forms a left-hand system, box value is negative. So how to find box? Using determinant. So IJK coefficients x 12 minus 1. See here. Next B bar coefficients here IJK 2 2x 1. Next coefficients of C bar here, third row, I, J bar not there 0, K bar coefficient is 1, is greater than 0. Now expand it now, x into 2x minus 0 minus 12 into 2 minus 1 minus 1 into 0 minus 2x is greater than 0. That implies 2x square minus 12 plus 2x is greater than 0. That implies 2 right common. X square plus x minus 6 is greater than 0. Now we have to solve this expression. X square plus x minus 6 is greater than 0. When you solve this, you will get the limits of x here. See, x square, the factors are here. Here minus plus x required, minus 6x. Second C. So x square plus x minus 6, right? So the factors are here, plus 3x minus 2x minus 6 greater than 0. X common, x plus 3 minus 2 common, x plus 3 greater than 0. That implies x plus 3 into x minus 2 is greater than 0. This can be written as x minus of minus 3 into x minus 2 greater than 0. That means greater than means here x does not lie between minus 3 and 2. That implies x does not lie between minus 3 and 2. That means this is minus 3 here, this is 2. X does not lie between means x is in this side or in this side, not in between. So minus infinity to plus infinity. Here x belongs to, the range of x is x belongs to minus infinity to minus 3 union 2 to plus infinity. But options are given. Another way also you can write r minus this part we have to exclude. So here open interval, that's why you should exclude close interval minus 3 comma 2. Exactly opposite. Both are correct. This is correct answer or this also correct. Here open given, that's why write opposite, closed, r minus this. So total r means total minus infinity plus infinity. You have to exclude this part. So remaining part is the answer. Actual part is, required part is, this is the required part. So we are taking So subtracting total r minus this part, underline part, this will be the answer. This also, both are correct answers, right? Next problem, question number 17. If a bar, b bar, c bar are three non-coplanar non-zero vectors, so asking this value required here, a bar dot a bar into b bar cross c bar plus a bar dot b bar into c bar cross a bar plus a bar dot c bar into a bar cross b bar. Here options are there. In this question, I am taking question number 17. I am giving some of the values for a bar, b bar, c bar. All three are non-coplanar vectors. That's why I am taking by assuming this. Let a bar equals to, I am taking I bar, b bar equals to j bar, and c bar equals to k bar. I am going to verify this. What is given expression by substituting this? Substituting a bar place I bar, b bar j bar, this is, so a bar dot a bar means I bar dot I bar, next into j bar cross k bar plus a bar dot b bar means I bar dot j bar into c bar cross a bar means k bar cross I bar, next plus a bar dot c bar means I bar dot k bar into a bar cross b bar means I bar cross j bar. Find out this value. I bar dot I bar is 1, j bar cross k bar is I. So 1 into I bar. I bar dot j bar is 0, 0 into something, this will be 0. I bar dot k bar is 0, so 0 into something 0. Final value is I bar. Final value is I bar. Now by verifying these options, by verification, find out option 1. Substitute a bar means I bar, j bar, k bar into c bar is, c bar means here k bar. You know box ijk value is 1. 1 into k bar is k bar. But our answer is I bar. That's why this option is wrong. Option 2, BCA box j bar, k bar, I bar into I bar. This will be box value ijk, jki, kij. This is also 1. 1 into I bar is I bar. I bar coincide. So second option will be correct. Third option will be, this is j bar. Third option is j bar. Fourth option is 0 bar. Option 3 we are getting j bar. Wrong. Option 4 also 0 bar. Wrong. Correct option is second option. By verification we are doing this sum. By giving a bar is I bar, b bar is j bar, c bar is k bar, because they are non-coplanar. Ijk also non-coplanar vectors. That's why I'm taking this. Next, question number 18. Easy question. This is expression given 1 by x minus 11 into x minus 12 into x minus 13 equals to a by b by c by, then the volume of the parallelepiped whose adjacent sides are. Volume means box value you have to find out. These are the adjacent sides given. So first here unknown values are a, b, c. We should find a, b, c first. After finding a, b, c, you can find volume easily. Volume of the parallelepiped is box a bar, b bar, c bar, you know. Question number 18. Given 1 by x minus 11 into x minus 12 into x minus 13. A by x minus 11, b by x minus 12, c by x minus 13. Now take LCM. First you should find ABC values. So left hand side LCM is there. So right hand side 1 by x minus 11 into x minus 12 into x minus 13. Here x minus 11, x minus 12, x minus 13. So multiplying here a into x minus 11 is there, so multiplying with this 2, x minus 12 into x minus 13 plus b into x minus 11 into x minus 13 plus c into x minus 11 into x minus 12. This is LCM, both side LCM gets cancelled. So finally 1 equals to a into x minus 12 into x minus 13 plus b into x minus 11 into x minus 13 c into x minus 11 into x minus 12. We should find ABC values by substituting. Put x equals to 11. We can substitute 11, 12, 13. So when you substituting x equal to 11, this is 0, b term 11 minus 11, 0, this also 0. So we will get here a into 11 minus 12 into 11 minus 13, remaining to 0. This part is 0, this part is 0. Therefore, a into minus 1 into minus 2. That implies minus into minus plus 2a. So a is 1 by 2. Now put x equals to 12 next. You'll get b value. Put x equals to 12. That implies left hand side 1. A is 0. A into this is 0. B into 12 minus 11. Here 12 minus 13. C part 12 minus 12 here 0. C into 0. Therefore 1 equals to here 11, 12 minus 11, 1. This is minus 1. So minus b finally. This is minus b. Therefore b equals to minus 1. I am getting answer. Next put x equals to next 12, 11, 12 completed. Now x equals to 13. Put x equals to 13. Substitute here. X equals to 13 I am substituting. So 1 equals to left hand side here. This is 0. 13 means a into 0 plus b into 0. C into here substitute 13 minus 11. 13 minus 11 is 2. 13 minus 12 is 1. So 2c equals to 1. C equals now 1 by 2. So all a, b, c values substituting, and after that the given 3 are here. See, these 3 vectors are, observe this, these 3 vectors are coplanar. Volume, they are asking volume of the parallelepiped asking here. These are adjacent sides of the parallelepiped. We have to find out volume. How to find volume? Formula modulus of box det a, b, 2c. So write volume of the parallelepiped now. Volume V equals to, I am writing volume formula V equals to modulus of A, B, 2C. Next 2A minus B, last near J, C bar coefficient 0, K bar Next 1 minus 3b 4c. This is volume formula. Volume of the parallelepiped. Box ABC, actually box value determined. Already we have A value. What about A value? A is 1 by 2. B is minus 1. C is 1 by 2. Substitute. So 1 by 2. B value minus 1. C value 1 by 2. 2 gets cancel 1. 2a. This is 1. Minus of minus plus 1. 0. Next substitute here 1. Minus 3b. B value is minus 1. Minus minus plus 3. C value is 1 by 2. Therefore this is 2c. Finally this will be 2. So expand that, you will get the answer. 1 by 2 into 2 minus 0 minus of minus plus 1 into 2 minus 0 plus 1 into 3 minus 2. So this is 2 by 2 1. Next plus 2. This is 1. So finally answer will be 4 cubic units. This is wrong here, sorry, this is 3 minus 1 here, last 3 minus 1, that's why this is a 2. Final answer is 5 is correct answer. 5 is correct. 3 minus 1. Next problem.